Morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Hope you had an amazing Easter. Hope everybody's healthy and well. Just here to say hello, introduce you to the task of the day. This time we're going to go 2 days at a time. We will have a task for today and tomorrow, and then you'll have a task for Thursday and Friday. So here's there's a lot of updates. So read the slides. There's a lot of announcements. We are officially starting phase two, which means we will count the task for grading. That's very long discussion, but today, if you know someone that has not been on Google Classroom, let them know that we're starting to do grading. Let them know that school is not over. We just moved into a distance learning platform, and that's about it. So this whole week's all about transformations. I'm gonna try to show you a few of the transformations I found here at home, and I'm hoping by the end of this video you'll be inspired to go around your house, around your block. Well, don't go out, never mind. And just find transformations. That's the goal of today. I also would like for you to remember how to graph, but for now, let's have some fun. Check this out. Here's a model of what the task should look like this morning. Go around the house and get your iPad. I was just thinking about how I was going to model this, and I just thought, I took this weekend to install a sink here at home, and I was trying to figure out, well, how do transformations apply to this world of ours? So here's one of the transformations I've noticed as I was finishing this up. Notice this. This is called a rotation. It allows your faucet to move sideways. So that is how you can apply rotations in real life. If you go from one side all the way to the other, we call it a 180-degree rotation. Check out a 90-degree rotation. And it's interesting how they make these things to really work for you, not you work for them. Excuse all the accessories in the sink. That's just part of our daily dishes. I continue to film and look for things to demonstrate some of these transformations that exist. I just show you rotations with the sink. Check out reflections. Reflections, the easiest way will probably be to use a tortilla, because the center of rotation is down the middle of the command. And in order to get a good, it is on, okay, no fakes. So reflections is you pick your line of reflection and you reflect the object over it. You flip it. Of course, today task should be very simple, and I'll disclose what it is, and you'll get right to it. It'd be nice to see what it is that how you guys see these transformations out there in the world. Look, I just used a different line of reflection the other way. See? So that's reflections in a nutshell. Now we're gonna go out there and look for a translation. Transformation, I just figured it out. Translation, you can move your cup from one side to the other. It's just the translation. You can also move it horizontally or vertically. And that's just the translation. All right, as you can see, transformations are all over the place. Most of our time has been spent in the kitchen / living room, so that's where I found most of my objects. Go out there, and by that I mean out to your household, outside, and go through whatever you're at, and find the 3 different transformations that exist all over us. Reflections, rotations, and translations. Needed to make a short video, just like I did, and post it into this slide. Or upload it to a classroom, I'm sorry. And then can't wait to see what you create. Translations, rotations, and reflections. I need one example from each, and from whatever it is that you're at. So have fun with it, and then try to complete the graphing activity on Google Classroom. So have fun. I'll see you guys soon.